Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the data modeling in Vizzy and how to connect tables, whether it's a one-to-one relationship or one-to-many or many-to-one relationships. So let's just get started. So I uploaded these data sets here as a created AI data sets for restaurants and orders, customers and couriers. So I uploaded all of them using Vizzy and upload CSV itself. So let me just do the data modeling real quick. You don't need to do much. You don't have to write any SQL or any joins to get your answers. What you would do, you just drag the couriers like whatever field from this data set um, to the same field from the other data set. So that's the first join, so one to many. And from the orders, what we could do is we have the restaurant ID here and we have the restaurant ID here, so we could connect them. And from the orders and customers, we have the customer ID that's unique for both. So we created data model. It's not very complicated data model. It's just pretty much a left join in SQL, but you can do it using arrows here, just connections or connectors and Vizzy. What you could do next is just create your data set or whatever questions that you have and might have and answer them. Let me just answer questions and use slicers in order to build a dashboard or story from these. I created this already, but let me just redo it. So let's just get the number of orders, the maximum number of orders delivered by restaurant. So what we want to do, we create on a data source here, and you could click on the join tables here. They'll show customer. Yes, click on this one here, and for the x-axis, what we want to do, let me get the restaurant cuisine. For the y-axis, let me do the average delivery minutes. The average delivery minutes, and let me get this navy blue. So this is average delivery minutes by cuisine. Add that to our workspace. Let's see. Let me just delete that real quick. And have this here. And from here, what we could do is, let me add a slicer on status because we have canceled and delivered. So in this case, what we could do is for delivered ones, as you can see, delivery minutes for Thai, this is the average delivery minutes, and it leads with the Indian. And I think Chinese has the least amount of delivery minutes, 43 minutes. Let me see the canceled one here. We don't have any canceled in here, which is good. Uh, but let me just keep it both ways. Let me add another like KPI card or something. Let me just keep this layout. Let me make this half and run. Let me go back to the studio. For this KPI card, what I did, this is the restaurants. Let me make it from the restaurants and the rating. So this is the average rating by restaurant. Let me pick another one. Maybe what we could do the orders, and let me show the join tables, and let me do the customer city. Let me see like a city that has the most amount of orders or the order total revenue. So this is it, the city, and let me do the order total. Let me add that to the workspace. We need a sum. Let me edit this and have this as half and done. So as you can see, this is on New York is the most amount of revenue from the order total. So the order total, the canceled order totals is for Chicago's the most, and then New York. But for both of them, it's New York. Let me see the delivered ones. Again, New York leads this, followed by Chicago and Austin and Seattle. Let me try to add one last one. And in this case, let me do something different here. See if we could add a screen, maybe. Sample data on restaurant and cuisine. And let me do the orders reading. Maybe keep this as average. This doesn't sound right. Let me. So the average rating is 4.31. Let me do something else. No, this is order total. And the average order total by cuisine. Let me keep this as full and a little bit larger here. And let me click on done and deliver. So this is pretty much it. You could do pretty much everything in Vizzy in terms of data modeling, data manipulation, and data visualization, and just filtering the data itself. So much easier than to do it in any other platform and much cheaper and quicker. So I hope you give it a try. You could, although like import this as an or export this as interactive HTML. Let me check this and show you with me like what's happening. And you could do this if you want to share this with someone else, and it would be perfect shareable content with anyone else. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you give it a try and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Thank you.